Alright, so this is how to make a shift knob for your car. First thing you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to saw off just a piece of the handlebar. And what I use to cut the bike bar is just this saw right here, but you could use other metal cutting tools like grinder or whatever. After you have sawed off your bike handle, you're gonna want to get yourself a nut that could thread on to your shift linkage. Alright, and you want to make sure that your nut can fit into your shifter snug. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to school, and I'm gonna go ahead and weld all around here, and then I'm going to just like grind down like the bead, so it'll be like flush and it'll be welded up. If you don't have access to a welder, you could just JB weld it. Yeah, you could just JB weld it, and JB weld is like a cement like glue kind of thing, kind of substance, and it's gonna hold it down pretty tight.
That's probably enough, honestly.
I know, but I welded the nut
On it?
Yeah. Alright, so I got my shift knob welded up, and I grinded down the welds, and then I just tack welded it on. And then now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your shift knob and just screw it on all the way. There you go. It's now all the way on. Alright, so after you put your shift knob on, you're gonna want to take your grip, the one that you want to use for your shift knob, your bicycle handle grip, and you're gonna want to take some hairspray and just spray a little bit into the grip. That way, when you go to put it on to your shift knob, it's easy to slide on, and then when it dries up, it's gonna be like firm, and it's not gonna like move around on the shifter. That just makes sure if you're now banging through gears or whatever, so your shift knob just stays the way you want it. So now, before the hairspray dries up, I want to sit inside your car and just put on the shift knob the way you want it. The way you want it on your car. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. There we go. That looks good. So I'm just gonna leave it like that to dry up. Now, after you have put on your grip onto your shifter, you could now go ahead and put on your bar end. Okay, so I got the bar end onto it, and now I could screw it back onto my shift linkage, shifter, whatever it's called. Adjust it so it sits straight. Alright, and there you have it. That is how to make yourself a shift knob. Thanks for watching and have a great day.